Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Asana for project management. To do that, step 1. Download and install Asana mobile app. Visit your device app store like Google Play Store or other application store and then search for Asana. Then download and install Asana or update your Asana application. Step 2. Create a project. After you launch the Asana app and log into your account, tap on the New Project button at the bottom right corner and create a new project. Step 3. Add tasks and assignments. Open the project you created by tapping on it from the project list. Tap on the plus icon or the Add Task button and enter the task name and necessary details. Then tap Save. And last, track and manage project progress. So that's how to use Asana for project management. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!